In this video, you will learn how to find duplicates in Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Currently, you can see here I have made a table and I want to remove duplicate from this table. To do this, firstly, we have to select the either spreadsheet or the columns which contain that data. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. You can see here there are two columns which contain the data. I will select column B and column C. Additionally, you can also select the whole spreadsheet. For example, in current case, I will click here. Then you can see here the whole spreadsheet is selected. Now the Excel will find the duplicate from the whole spreadsheet. To find duplicates, you will find the option of conditional formatting in styles. Click on this conditional formatting. And the first option is the highlight cell rules. Click here and you will find different option. You will select duplicate values. Click on it. Now you can see here these are the all duplicates. Here there is an option either you find duplicate or unique values. If you click on unique, then it will highlight unique values, and if you select duplicate, it will highlight duplicate value. Additionally, there is an option to highlight these duplicate with different color. If you want yellow color, you will select this option. If you want green color, you can select this option. So by doing so, you can select the color and find the duplicate value easily. If you want to clear out these colors, click on OK. Again, go to conditional formatting option after selecting the whole spreadsheet or the selected data. And here you will find the option of clear rules. It will ask you either you want to clear rule from selected cells or from entire sheet. I will select entire sheet. Then you can see here the highlighted portion is removed now and the duplicates are not highlighted. If you want to learn about how to remove these duplicates in Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, then watch our next video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.